Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking for something to get out and go for a ride on. I know, we got a mess going on right here. We'll get that cleaned up, but got lots of bikes that we could take out. I think today we're gonna take my dad's Puch Maxi-N out for a ride. It's been sitting a while, but it usually starts, so I'm gonna get this pulled out and we'll take a better look at it. Okay, here it is. So I don't know all the details on this bike because it's not mine, but my dad built this a long time ago. It's got these cool flat handlebars on it. These aftermarket rims, those look sweet. The pedals were taken off. So to start this thing, you actually have to push it, and then there's this lever that you pull in. Well, yeah, you pull that in and then it engages the engine and it starts spinning it over. Nice pipe on it. Low profile seat. I think that came off of a BMX bike maybe. 2-speed transmission. I'm not sure what engine this is, but maybe one of you guys knows. So yeah, this is just a fun bike. It's been super reliable and just a fun one to take out and on a nice day and go for a ride. So I'm gonna get this pulled out front, and then we'll see if we can get it started. Okay, let's get this thing pushed out front. So it's got gas in it, I think. Gonna turn on the on switch, turn the fuel on, and then choke is just all the way down. Hold down this little thing primes it. There we go, gas is coming out. So that's good to go. Okay, let's see if this thing will start. Okay, so like I said before, what we're gonna do is just start pushing it and then pulling this lever right here, and that engages the engine. So let's see if it'll start. Nothing. Let's try it down the driveway one more time. This thing's not the easiest to start because you gotta push start it, and then I don't weigh that much, so the back wheel doesn't grab. Let's try it one more time. Here we go. Got it. Gonna let it warm up for a second, and then we'll take it out for a spin. There we go, got it started. Seems to be running good. It's been probably 3 months since we started this, so 2 attempts of pushing it down the hill and we got it up and running. Get it out on this main street and open her up. See how fast we can get going. Try not to get run over by that thing. We'll go after these guys. Hey, check that thing out, that's sweet. I want to get a little pickup like that. Never know what you're gonna see when you're out here. There's another one. No suspension on it, so every little bump you feel. Well guys, I think that's gonna do it for this episode. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like and subscribe, comment if you have any questions, and we'll see you guys on the next one.